This is a workshop you do not want to miss. In order to build the premier accounting, bookkeeping, and tax business in your area, you need to first of all understand the universal business model. It's the turnkey approach to having the premier accounting firm. Second, you need to actually do what's called mapping your business, identifying those three key areas of your business that need the attention today so that you can get the clients you deserve, offer quality accounting services, and work efficiently and profitably. Now, with all that in mind, I want to also address your business model. In this, we're going to address engage and manifest your why you're in business. What is the end game here? We're going to address quality accounting services. What is it that the client expects from you? We're going to cover marketing and sales to increase your revenue and bring in the clients that you deserve. We're also going to talk about improving profit, make it intentional and deliberate so that you can get paid what you're worth. And then lastly, building value. Building a company that is an autonomous entity from your day-to-day interactions, something that is self-sustaining, a living, breathing entity that has worth. All of this with the intent that you can leave offering quality accounting services and getting paid what you're worth. This is an event, a workshop you do not want to miss. So I look forward to seeing you there. Always remember this, if it's about accounting, it is universal. Register now.